Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can use your Squarespace site for scheduling. So let's get right into it. Now, first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Pages, and I'm going to create a new unlinked page, which I'm going to use for my scheduling. Now, I'll just use a blank page, simply because that's what fits best, and I'll just make scheduling its name. And now once I've created that page, as you can see, we have an empty page. Now I'll just click on the edit button in the top left. Then I'm going to click add a section. I'll just add a blank section. You can add whichever type of section you want. You have all of these different sections, and some of them might be better suited for scheduling, such as the scheduling sections over here, but I'll just be using a blank one simply because I can find my way around it the best. Now once you have your section, you can extend it or collapse it however you want, and I'm going to add a new block, and one of these blocks should be the scheduling block. As you can see here, you can connect to Acuity Scheduling just by this. You can start an Acuity Scheduling trial or connect to an existing account just by double clicking. As you can see, it's going to show the content, and you can add an existing schedule. And I'll just go over into set up Acuity Scheduling, even though I have it on my account, but this is for a different website. And once this sets everything up, you can start setting up everything else. And there we go. Now we have that, and we're going to go to our scheduling page link. I'm just going to copy that, and I'm going to go back over here, enter the scheduling page link over here, and that's going to add my scheduling block over here. And that is basically all you need to do. After that, just save and exit. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.